Welcome to Be Free Driving School. My name is Wendy, and on this video we'll be looking at how to learn the UK stopping distances. So I would suggest that if you haven't already done so, check out the video Stopping Distances Explained before you watch this video. So as we can see, the diagram shows the stopping distances for each speed limit. What we're going to look at is how you can remember the stopping distances. We're going to look at two ways that you can remember the stopping distances. We'll look at feet and we'll also look at meters. So this chart shows you the stopping distances in feet, and the technique that we're going to use is all you have to remember is 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4 and 4.5. Let's have a look at how that works. So let's have a look at this question here. What is the stopping distance at 60 miles per hour? Is it A, 200 feet, B, 210 feet, C, 225 feet, or D, 240 feet? So let's use our technique to work it out. We know that 2 will be 20, 2.5 will be 30, 3, 40, 3.5, 50, 4 is 60. We now need to multiply 60 by 4, which equals 240. So the correct answer is 240 feet. Just to explain that a little bit more so it makes a little bit more sense, for each speed limit we multiply by the number on the left. So for 20 miles an hour we multiply it by 2. So that gives us overall stopping distance 40 feet. 30 miles an hour, multiply that by 2.5. 40 miles an hour, multiply it by 3. 50 miles an hour, multiply it by 3.5. 60 miles an hour, multiply it by 4. 70 miles an hour, we multiply it by 4.5. So that's how we work it out in feet. Let's have a look at meters now. So meters will be exactly the same. So let's look at the question. What is the stopping distance at 60 miles per hour? Is it A, 70 metres, B, 73 metres, C, 78 metres, or D, 80 metres? We're going to use the same technique that we did before. So we know that 60 miles per hour, we have to multiply it by 4. So we're going to multiply it by 4. But what we're going to do now, so you will need a calculator to do this, is divide it by 3.3, which equals 72.72, and we round that up to 73. So the correct answer is B, 73. So I'm hoping that that makes sense and you can do that for all of the stopping distances to get it into meters. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. Bye bye.